a few months from that conversation, how does it actually translate into the ground, right? How do we get Wilmington University's values to actually be incorporated in a working, thriving law school? First, Wilmington University and the law school will always be student-centered. As Dr. Harmon says at almost every meeting we attend, right, we start our meeting with the question, how does this benefit students? And if it doesn't benefit students, we usually have fairly short meetings, right? And that's the same thing with the law school. Every question I ask, every meeting we do, I say, okay, I will do it if you can tell me how this is going to make life better for our students, right? So we always start off with a perspective of student-centeredness. Our faculty, right? For those of you who don't know how law faculties work, almost every law school in the country will only hire you if you went to one of 6 schools. I think that's nuts. We have people who have unbelievable practice experience who would not get a look at a law school because they didn't go to one of the 6. So again, this is a world where people will say, oh, you only went to Georgetown? Really? Okay. We are focused on hiring people who have practice experience, who have a great resume, and everybody in the room who I've talked to, my staff, any faculty members we've talked to, I start every conversation with, we can stop this quickly unless you want to make a difference in a student's life, right? I don't care about your publications. I don't care about what you're doing. I care about what you're going to do in that classroom, and do you want to be involved in making life better for students? And I think we're going to have a great faculty because of it. Fourth, we're going to be small. Right? Again, there's no reason that I know of where we have to be big. We're targeting a 50-person section in the day and a 15-person section at night right off the bat. We don't have plans for getting bigger than 500 people. When I get to talk about the new building later, that building will hold 500 people, and that's about it. There's no reason for us to be bigger. And then finally, again, in keeping with our values from the university, we're affordable. Somebody has to do something about law student debt. I'm almost embarrassed to stand up here and tell you that $24,000 is cheap. But our tuition will be $24,000 for the full-time, $18,000 for the part-time. But I tell you what I tell our prospective students, right? Don't come because we're affordable. Come because you agree with the mission. Come because this is what you want to do and because you think we're the best place to do it, and then let the affordability be a benefit, right? But don't come because we're simply affordable. But we are trying to break the paradigm of where law schools are going with debt. In this region, the cheapest law school tuition is $57,000, and it ranges up to $75,000 a year at Penn. So we're considerably under it.